Hi everyone, I'm here to review the Coach Quilted Dinky with Rivets. I got it in the light saddle. It's super beautiful, so keep watching if you want to see. So I got it in the free gift packaging, and this is an option that you can get when you purchase it online. I definitely recommend it for a special occasion. It comes with this contrast ribbon, and I had already opened it myself, so I won't have all the tissue paper, but it's really pretty. So once you open the ribbon, it comes in this nice great quality gift box. You could definitely reuse for something else. It comes with the usual authenticity cards and whatnot, and then the Coach Dinky in the little dust bag. So as you can see, it's definitely a petite size, but it can surprisingly hold a lot. So this is what it looks like when you open it up. So cute. The color was actually different than I thought when I purchased it. Online, and it looks a lot more vibrant and like a caramel. You can kind of see here. I don't know if you can. But I was surprised when I saw it. I do still like it. It's definitely more toned down and more neutral. Just to see up close, it has this beautiful moto stitching. Reminds me of like a leather jacket, and these gunmetal colored mini studs or rivets that are sewn in. So they're definitely great quality. They're not going to fall off, and I think they add a really great texture to the bag. The back is smooth, and one of my favorite features about this bag is this back slip pocket. I think it's super amazing, great for convenience. I have the iPhone 6 Plus with a pop socket on and a Sonic case, and it just fits in super effortlessly. It could even handle a bigger like Galaxy or another Android phone. But I think that definitely adds functionality to this petite little purse. It also has this twist closure here that makes it really easy to get in and out of it. I haven't had any issues. And then it also comes with a hang tag that's on this little dog chain. This did fall off the first time I used it. I think it just wasn't closed on tight enough because it hasn't fallen off since. I did get mine monogrammed online. If you watch my Selena Grace Coach bag review, you will see that I monogrammed that in store, and I do recommend you monogram it in store just so you can see what the color looks like in real life. I got the purple. It does match the trim, but I think I would have gotten gold if I saw it in person, or black. And when I did get it monogrammed in person, it took up the entire tag, where this is like pretty small. So just something to be aware of. But once you open up the bag, it has that same really gorgeous purple lining. So it's super smooth on the inside, and it has two major pockets. This is the bigger one that would fit like a small wallet, you know, your makeup and whatnot. And then this is the smaller pocket as well. But one of my favorite features about the inside is this super cute little kiss lock pouch here. It reminds me of those like little vintage clutches. It's stamped with 1941 on the outside, and here it comes with, you know, the little authenticity booklet and whatnot. So you can definitely store your little items in there. And then it also has this Coach little novelty patch stitched in there. So some really great details, just a gorgeous bag all around. To talk about the strap, it is a gunmetal chain strap. It has a nice weight to it, but it's not like too heavy, but definitely doesn't feel cheap. It does have this leather knot here that all the bags come with. I was actually thought mine was like unique when I saw this, but then when I looked at more images, it is just like a little charming little feature for the bag. I'm about 5'6", 5'7", and it fits pretty comfortably on my side. But a nice feature is you can actually double it up around the front flap to create the double straps. So the double straps is a little shorter on me, but it's a great option for petite girls as well. So yeah, so just to compare it to the Rebecca Mini Mac, which is a very similar size and style. I actually have mine in a pretty novelty color. But just so you get an idea, I know this is a very popular bag. They're very, very similar in size. The Rebecca Mini Mac is definitely a little bit taller and the Dinky is a little bit wider. I think the Dinky actually holds a bit more. And in terms of the straps, they're actually pretty similar in length. Just if you have that, you can kind of know what you're getting into. Yeah, pretty similar in length. Similar styles. But I definitely love the extra quilting on this version of the Dinky. So yeah, so that is my unboxing and overview of the Coach Quilted Dinky with Rivets. Let me know if you've tried this bag or if you have any questions, I'll always answer. Super exciting that other people actually watched my Coach Selena Gomez Grace bag review. That was awesome. So thank you so much if you watched that. Thank you if you watched this. Thank you to those people who subscribed. That's super nice of you. And I'm really grateful. So thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye.